everyone, we're going to be talking about graphing today so that you can graph your data for the lab. And as much as I am a big fan of Google, I think that Google Sheets is a really poor replacement for Excel. It doesn't have nearly the same capabilities. But here's a sample sheet, and here's how I have it set up with the label on my pennies, and then the volume all in one column, so you can see that the old ones are here, and the new ones are down here, and then the volume for each. And then what I need to do, because volume is our independent variable and mass is our dependent variable, Sheets wants you to put it in two separate columns. This is the only way I found that I can get this to work. So mass of the old pennies here, mass of the new pennies down here. When you're graphing, if you select data and then tell it to graph, it's going to come up with some random chart that doesn't make any sense. It just thinks, Sheets thinks it knows better than what it is. So don't do that. Click in a random box that's empty and insert a chart. Then you want to make sure you move the chart out of your way so that you can actually see your data. Over on the right hand side, you're going to change the chart type. And we are using a scatter plot. We are using a scatter plot because we have two sets of variables. So you need to select the series first. The series is going to be your y-axis, so your mass. And I select one, and then I'm going to add the second series, which is down here, 2. And then I'm going to go back, and it puts dots on, but it basically is just plot 1, plot 2, plot 3, plot 4. So I need to tell it that that actually corresponds to a number, and I select my X. Okay, so then it puts the numbers on the bottom, the numbers on the side. And you want to make sure that it's using column B as labels, and hopefully it recognizes that column B is numbers. If this is not working for you for whatever reason, please, please, please let me know. And then you're going to go in and customize. So don't change the chart title, but our chart style, but change the chart title. Hopefully you remember how to title a chart. If not, you can go back into the graphing activity that we did in class and look that up. Series, you can leave that there. Actually, trend lines are nice. Let's see if it'll work. See, it puts two nice trend lines on there for me. And we want to make sure that that starts at 0, so we need to fix that too. Horizontal axis, you could put the title and everything on here. For the horizontal axis, you want your minimum value to be 0. And down, down, down. Okay. And for the vertical axis, also 0. So that it drags out to the origin. Go to the lines, give them, take them, whatever. But do make sure that you put your axes titles on here as well. So you're just going to down click here for horizontal and vertical axes. Make sure that they're labeled appropriately. If you have any questions, let me know. It's very easy to just paste this into your Google Doc then to turn it in. Thanks.